In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a unique list from multiple columns in Google Sheets. If you have data spread across several columns and you want to combine everything into one clean list without duplicates, Google Sheets makes that very simple with a single formula. This is especially helpful when you're working with names, categories, tags, product codes, or any repeated values that appear in different columns. To begin, enter your data into the sheet across the columns you want to use. In this example, the data is placed in columns A through C from row 2 down to row 10. Make sure your entries are in the correct range before you continue, because the formula will pull from exactly the cells you specify. If your data extends further down, you can adjust the range later to match your sheet. Once your data is ready, click the cell where you want the final unique list to appear. This should usually be an empty column or area of the sheet, so the results have enough space to expand downward, since the formula will return multiple values automatically. It's important not to place it where other data might block the output. Now enter the formula equals unique. Then open a parenthesis, then flatten, followed by another open parenthesis, and use the range A2 through C10. Then close both parentheses. The formula looks like this. Equals unique. Open parenthesis, flatten. Open parenthesis, A2 colon C10. Close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. What this does is combine all the values from columns A, B, and C into one single vertical list, using flatten. Then the unique function removes repeated entries, leaving you with only one instance of each value. That means instead of manually copying, pasting, and deleting duplicates, Google Sheets handles the entire process instantly. After you press enter, the unique list will appear automatically in the selected column. If your original data changes later, the list updates on its own, which makes this method very efficient for dynamic spreadsheets. One useful tip is to double-check your source range if the results don't look right. If some values are missing, your selected range may be too small. If extra blank cells appear, that may come from empty cells included in the source range. In that case, reviewing the selected data area can help keep the output clean. That's how to get a unique list from multiple columns in Google Sheets quickly and easily.